Learn how to make a teleportation effect today. First, we need to record a moving video with a fixed length. And then import the video into VideoAE. This is the video we just recorded, and then we preview the video. This software plays slowly, which is very suitable for our production. First, preview the video until the characters are about to leave. Separate the content. Select the previous layer to delete, and remove the video to 0 seconds. Next, start previewing when the character is about to leave this position. Pause and select the partition button in Tools. Then continue to preview until the character has just arrived at the next position. Pause and split the video, and then preview when the character is about to leave. Pause and split layers. Repeat the operation later. Pause the segmentation when the character leaves, and pause the segmentation when the character arrives. In this way, the layer order is under the tree moving process, under the tree moving process, under the tree. 1. Delete all the moved layers so that the remaining layers are all under the tree. Select the check button next to it to select all layers. Then click the sequence above to select the last one. A sorting method to automatically sort all layers in chronological order. Check out the video preview.